Hi Tumblr! I just saw the most ridiculous advert ever and I can't access Tumblr at home, so I'm pre-recording a video. So yeah, this advert, it was for Philadelphia. It was just ridiculous. Okay, so everyone knows what Philadelphia is. It's cream cheese in a tub, and they have a website with recipes all including Philadelphia, just to make you buy it more basically. So the advert is like, it's meant to kind of look like a real home video kind of thing, or an interview with a real home family, and the mum's like, the biggest struggle is trying to find a meal that everyone enjoys, which I understand. Yes, I have two sisters, neither of which like anything the other likes, and if one of them decides they don't like something, the other one decides they don't like it either. Yes, I'm talking about you. So yeah, there's two brothers, and one of the boys like, well, I don't like vegetables, and he doesn't like curry. And then the mum is like, I discovered this recipe, I'm gonna do Thai green curry. And she does this, that, and the other, adds Philadelphia, which already, to me, just looks like an abomination. And at the end of it, everyone's happy, everyone loves it. So, to conclude, your children don't like vegetables and don't like curry. So make them a curry with vegetables in it, but because it's got Philadelphia in it, everyone will love it. I mean, seriously, is anyone falling for that? Oh, and I've put the link below for the Philadelphia advert so that you guys can watch it for yourself and see if you agree or understand or see where I'm coming from. Thank you for watching. I realised I can't find the word. I just finished. My face has frozen. So I just finished putting together that video, and I can't find the advert on the internet. So maybe you'll just have to see it on TV. Although it is an English advert. Hopefully you'll just get what I mean. God, it's cold in here.